it's Daniel here, and welcome to the Data Science Decoded TLDR, where we take those papers that are just too long and give you the essentials, give you the gist. Today, we'll dive into how AI models cheat during their training and what researchers are doing to stop it. So let's break it down. The paper is RRM, Robust Reward Model Training Mitigates Reward Hacking. So RRM is reward models, and they're used in training of LLMs. And sometimes LLMs do what's called reward hacking. And when they're trained to improve, they sometimes focus on irrelevant details like response length or the formatting. And then they're tricking the system into giving them better rewards. So you can imagine a student writes a longer essay or paper just to impress the teacher, but doesn't actually improve the content. So what they propose is called RRM. It's a robust reward model in order to solve this. And let's go to chapter 3. So at the beginning, they do some introduction, as usual, preliminary, some math. If you're into math, check out our podcast where we dive deep into historical papers and flush out the math. So here's the meat of the paper, the robust reward model training. And you can see it introduces a causal framework to separate the quality answers from the superficial one, and they're using data augmentation. So they shuffle answers from different questions to make it harder for the model to rely on patterns like length, right? And then it focuses the model to look at the genuine content. And they use a DAG, which is a directed acyclic graph. In causal inference, usually that's how you model the relationship between all your features of your system. And the idea there is to find the causality in the system, right? And not just rely on correlation. If we continue to, they use d-separation, etc. If you're into that, I have a published paper on causal inference. I'll link it in the links below. Let's go to the experiments where they did the experiments and their results. So you can see here on various metrics and benchmarks, they improved. The RRM is achieving 84% accuracy compared to the benchmark of 80, right? So they improve results. They also show that on a benchmark called Alpaca eval2, yay, more animals, the win rate jumps from 33% to 52%. So it means that the model is no longer biased towards longer responses. And finally, they do some analysis of the results and show how it relates to other work. And in conclusion, they say that the RRM approach is effective at eliminating those reward hacking by focusing on the true content quality. And this ensures that the models generate more reliable, human-aligned responses. Cool, so if you like that, hit the like, subscribe button. I will give all the references below, and see you next time, guys.